An arc is built so that it is 6 feet wide at the base. An arc is built, so it seems like a parabola, and it's 6 feet wide. So if this is 0, this one is going to be 6. Its shape can be represented by the parabola, the equation with the equation y equals negative 2x squared plus 12x, and if the coefficient of the x squared is a negative number, so you're going to have a maximum like this. So my graph is right. Where y is the height, this is y, is the height of the arc, determine the maximum height y of the arc. We're looking for the maximum height, the highest point here. How to find that one? There are two ways you can do it. You can do it algebraically or mentally here, by hand here, or you can use the graphing calculator to find the maximum. Let's do it by hand. First of all, you need to find the axis of symmetry, the formula for the axis of symmetry. The axis of symmetry, which means the middle one here. Oh, we know the axis of symmetry is going to be 3, but let's try if it's 3 or not. The axis of symmetry formula is negative b over 2a. So that's going to be negative b over 2a. We know in this equation a equals to negative 2. B is the coefficient of the x, which is 12. So that's going to be negative b, which is negative 12, over 2 times a, which is negative 2. That's going to be negative 2 over negative 4. Negative 12 over negative 4. 12 over 4 is positive 3. Negative over negative is positive. So that's going to be positive 3. This one is 3 here. We need to find the y value when x equals 3. Therefore, if y equals negative 2x squared plus 12x, we need to find what's the value of y when x equals to 3. That's negative 2 times x to the power of 2 plus 12 times x. You substitute 3 for x and find the y. That's going to be 3 squared is 9. 9 times negative 2 is negative 18, plus 12 times 3 is 36. Negative 18 plus 36 is positive 18. Therefore, when x equals 3, y equals positive 18. The coordinate of this point is 3 and 18. The maximum height is 18. This is one way to do it. The other way is graphing calculator. You're just going to type this equation, clear everything. Type this equation in here, negative 2 x to the power of 2 plus 12x. Graph. Okay, the graph is outside of the window, so what you do here in this case is you go to zoom. I would prefer zoom 0 or zoom fit. Here you go. Zoom 0 or zoom fit. Click enter. See here, I can see the maximum here. We need to find the maximum. If you want to find the maximum, you click second trace. You go down to the maximum, question number 4, choice 4. And where is the left bound? You see the cursor is like blinking here on the left bound of the maximum, so just click enter. Where is the question mark here? Where is the right bound of the maximum? We're going to move the cursor from the left bound of the maximum to the right bound of the maximum. You move it with the right arrow. You see the cursor is moving here. Okay. Somewhere on the right, it doesn't matter which way. Click enter, and then guess where is the maximum. You're going to move the cursor close enough to the maximum. Click enter. Therefore, the maximum is 2.99, which is similar to 3, and y equals 18. And the y equals 18. So the maximum height is 18. Work well.